With COVID-19, worries about the financial markets, the economy at large, and a presidential election heading our way, there are challenges to come with bank loan financing. Welcome to Finance Friday, where we talk about facts and fundamentals of finance on Friday.
Banks are tightening their guidelines. If you are in the process of making an application now for a bank loan, or if you have an offer from a bank, jump on that opportunity. Take advantage of it right now. You may not have this opportunity 3 to 6 months from now.
Welcome to this episode of Finance Friday. And Trev, let's start with startups.
Well, Linda, at the best of times, startups are incredibly difficult to finance with a bank loan.
For instance, the SBA approval rate for startups is only about 5%, and banks are tightening their guidelines, so it's probably going to get worse.
If you're applying for bank loan financing right now and you're a startup, you had better be rock solid in how you're presenting your paperwork, your business plan, and every aspect of your startup idea to your bank application.
Well, the good news, maybe, is that existing businesses have a track record, so you could have a better chance of getting through the process, though that has never really been a straight and narrow, easy road either, right?
Never easy to get a bank loan. We have one piece of advice and an offer for you. Here's the advice. Don't panic. Don't panic. Stay calm. Plan and prepare. Two of our favorite words, plan and prepare. And if you are preparing to request a bank loan from your bank, here's our offer.
We have a consultation product to help you plan and prepare. We review your documents, we run credit reports, we review the credit report with you, and we help you get prepared so that when you're sitting in front of your banker and you're getting ready for a round of financing, you're going to be well prepared in advance to talk to your banker intelligently.
You're going to be rock solid.
And you're a rock star, so you do rock really well.
Thank you. She's Linda Ray, the Chief Results Officer for Aurora Consulting.
And this is Trevor Curran, the Chief Financing Rock Star. And we are Aurora Consulting, financing solutions for your business success story.